Honorable Sean Pierre Newroad, and the delegation from the Vanuatu government and the Vanuatu High Commission. Representatives from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the Ministry of Education, senior executives of the Ministry, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to be here this morning to join the Honorable Minister of Education of Vanuatu to sign the Memorandum of Agreement on behalf of the Fijian government on the engagement of retired Fijian teachers in Vanuatu for another 2 years. On behalf of the Fijian government, I sincerely thank the government of the Republic of Vanuatu for having faith in our government and choosing to continue to partner with us under the Fiji Volunteer Scheme. Both the governments of Vanuatu and Fiji greatly acknowledge the work of the retired Fijian volunteer teachers, hence the need to continue with their engagement in Vanuatu. The Fijian government supports the development of our neighboring countries, especially to assist in their human resource needs. This has been possible through the initiation of the regional component of the volunteer service. We are pleased to note that there are Fijians already working in the Pacific Island countries and are contributing positively towards enhancing the economic and social life of their host countries. With the lowering of retirement age to 55 years and the existence of now the 3 universities in Fiji, it is anticipated that Fiji will have sufficient supply of qualified labor in the market in the near future. Therefore, the Fijian government has come up with initiatives to allow for labor mobility, and the province to cater for this under the National Employment Center decree. Fiji has sufficient and proven capacity in areas of education, public administration, disaster management, peacekeeping, social protection, and environment. As such, our government envisages having volunteers in every part of the Pacific in the next 3 years. We would like to share our skills with our Pacific neighbors as part of our engaging with the Pacific commitment. We are committed to assisting those who request our help, and we have strong links in areas of trade, investment, education, transportation, culture, and people-to-people relationships and contacts. With those few words, I wish both countries a blessed and fruitful and continued harmonious working relationship. Thank you, and Vinaka Wakali.